This is not self-help. This is healing. Body, nervous system, wholeness. Energy medicine, Ayurveda-inspired living, herbal wisdom. Learn, heal, and be together. Wholeness isn't fixing, it's integrating. Evolve Global 22's Healing Light Studio. Understanding begins here. Healing happens here. Wholeness lives within you. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Evolve Global 22's Healing Circle. I am so happy that you are here tonight. So far this week, we have talked about repair as staying and about how repair doesn't require readiness. Tonight, we're moving into something deeper and quieter. Repair is not something we explain. It's something we feel. Pause for a moment and notice where your body settles just hearing that. Over the past few weeks, we've been building a foundation. In week 1, we learned that the body needs support before insight. In week 2, we saw how small, consistent supports build trust over time. And in week 3, we practiced listening without fixing, allowing sensation and experience to speak before interpretation. Repair, my friends, lives inside of all this. Repair doesn't begin in the thinking mind. It begins in the body. Many of us try to repair through explanation. We talk more. We analyze more. We justify, clarify, and organize our thoughts. But repair doesn't start there, my friends. Repair begins when the body registers a shift, even a small one. Less tension, more space, a breath that drops. Repair is felt before it's understood. Learning point number 1, repair registers in the body first. The body knows when repair is happening long before the mind catches up. A softening of the shoulders, a slower breath, a sense of settling. These are not accidents, they are information. Ask yourself this quietly. Where do I notice, even in a slight sense of relief, when something is repairing? Learning point number 2, explanation can delay repair. Explanation often comes from discomfort, not clarity. We explain when we feel unsafe being misunderstood. We explain when we want to control the outcome. But too much explanation can overwhelm the moment and bypass what the body needs. Repair doesn't require convincing, it requires presence. Ask yourself this, my friends. Where might explanation be getting in the way of felt repair? Learning point number 3, small sensory shifts matter. Repair is rarely dramatic. It shows up as subtle sensory changes. Less tightness, more warmth, a quieter internal space. These small shifts are how the nervous system recalibrates. Healing doesn't always announce itself loudly. And one of the biggest challenges and issues that I see with many clients that I work with is that we're so consumed with our daily lives that we miss these subtle, slight changes. Ask yourself this: what small shift has signaled repair for me in the past? Learning point number 4, repair happens without resolution. Repair does not mean everything is resolved. You can still disagree. You can still feel unsure. You can still be in process. Repair simply means the relationship with yourself or another is intact. Ask yourself this question, my friends. Where have I mistaken resolution for repair? And our last learning point for tonight, felt repair builds trust over time. When the body experiences repair repeatedly, trust forms. Trust isn't built by perfect communication. It's built by consistent moments of relief and reconnection. Felt repair teaches the body that connection can survive strain. Ask yourself this: what experiences have taught my body that connection can return? This is so important because repair might look like sitting quietly together after tension. It might look like continuing a conversation without fixing it. It might look like staying connected even when clarity hasn't arrived. These moments don't look impressive, but they are powerful. From an energy medicine perspective, repair restores coherence. Energy begins to flow together again instead of fragmenting. From an Ayurveda-inspired lens, repair restores balance by reducing excess stimulation and agitation. From herbal wisdom, healing happens through gentle, repeated support, not force. Repair follows the same principle. That's why it's so important to use herbal remedies consistently over time. They do not work like pills where you just take them and suddenly the headache's gone. It's something that you have to use over time, and then your body naturally adjusts and gains the benefits from whatever herbal remedies you might be using. Essential oils, for example. When repair is ignored, the body holds the rupture. Tension accumulates. Disconnection becomes familiar. Felt repair releases that holding. This is how healing becomes embodied, not just understood. That, my friends, is why this is so important. True healing cannot happen when the body holds rupture. In closing, my friends, repair doesn't need explanation. It needs space to be felt. I appreciate you being here tonight. And remember, the Healing Circle is the heart of Evolve Global 22, a steady, ongoing space for gentle support in real life. It began as a founding space, and it became clear that it is meant to stay accessible, affordable, and consistent. The free live streams, replays, and even live shopping help keep this circle open for people who need it. If this work supports you and you'd like to stay connected more deeply, the Evolve Global 22 Healing Circle on Patreon is always open. There are resources there. You have a direct connection to me. We do monthly healings and meditations and various types of shamanic practices. We also, these free healing circles are available there in addition to weekly master classes, which are built around the free healing circles. In addition to so much more, that is really where true healing and support continues. And we do this together as a community. It's only $7.99 a month. Remember, my friends, healing lives here. Wholeness lives within you. Peace, love, and light to each and every one of you. I love you all.